3. Earth as a planet. Hello children. The Earth, our home, is the only planet in our solar system known to harbor life. All of the things we need to survive are provided under a thin layer of atmosphere that separates us from the uninhabitable space. The Earth is made up of complex, interactive systems that are often unpredictable. Scientists around the world have discovered many things about our planet by working together and sharing their findings. Satellites orbit the Earth through electronic eyes from hundreds of miles overhead. The satellites lead prospectors to mineral deposits invisible on Earth's surface. The Earth has one moon, while Mercury and Venus have none, and all the other planets in our solar system have two or more. In this lesson, you will learn about the Earth as a planet.
3. The Earth as a planet. Many millions of years ago, people thought that the Earth was the center of the universe and that it was flat. There are many theories which describe how the Earth came, and none of them came to correct conclusion. Later, Copernicus, a great astronomer, proved that Sun is the center and the 9 planets revolve around it. Just like the Earth, there are 8 more planets that go round the Sun. Some of these planets might either bigger or smaller. This family of planets is called solar system. Our Earth is one of the planets of the solar system.
The 9 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto.
These planets revolve round the Sun in their particular orbits. Mercury is the smallest planet and Jupiter is the largest planet. Mercury is also the nearest planet and Pluto is the farthest planet from the Sun. As their distances are different, their time to complete one revolution is also different. Our Earth takes 365 1 by 4th days to complete its one revolution round the Sun. Satellite. A satellite is a body that moves around a larger body or a planet. The satellite of the Earth is the Moon. The Moon is round and solid just like the Earth. It is much smaller than the Earth. The Moon revolves around the Earth. Among the other planets, some have satellites whereas the others have none. The Moon is in different shapes every night. This recent moon is its first stage. The moon grows every night and on the 15th day it grows to form the full moon called Paurnami or full moon day. On then the moon begins to become smaller. On the last day the moon cannot be seen. This is known as Amavasya or no moon day. Universe. There are millions of solar systems in the unending space. This is called the universe. Stars. The stars are the bodies that twinkle and give out light of their own. Heavenly bodies. All the things that we can see in the outer space are called heavenly bodies.
Atmosphere
All the heavenly bodies
exist in the outer space. Things like clouds, storms, lightning, and thunder occur within the covering of air all around our planet called atmosphere.
Let's revise the important points. 1. The family of planets is called solar system. 2. The 9 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. 3. A satellite is a body that moves around a larger body or a planet. Moon is the satellite of the Earth. 4. The millions of solar systems in the unending space is the universe. 5. The bodies that twinkle and give out light of their own are called stars. 6. The things that we can see in the outer space are called heavenly bodies. 7. Things like clouds, storms, lightnings, and thunder occur within the covering of air all around our planet called atmosphere. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. What is solar system? How many planets comprise the solar system? Answer. The family of planets that go round the sun is called solar system. 9 planets comprise the solar system. 2. Name the planets in the solar system. Answer. The 9 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. 3. What is a satellite? How many satellites does the Earth have? Answer. A satellite is a body that moves around a larger body or a planet. The only satellite of the Earth is the Moon. 4. What are heavenly bodies? Answer. All the things that we can see in the outer space are called heavenly bodies. 5. What is called universe? What is atmosphere? Answer. There are millions of solar systems in the unending space. This is called the universe. Things like clouds, storms, lightnings, and thunder occur within the covering of air all around our planet called atmosphere. 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding. Three. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding. 4. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures of spacecrafts Rakesh Sharma, Yuri Gagarin, and Neil Armstrong and stick them in their project book. Also ask the students to bring the chart of the solar system and stick it in their project book.